Hello, this is Tina LaFreniere, founder of Realated Faces. I'm going to bring you a new tutorial today about photo boxes and albums and how to edit them and change their color. The process is the same for photo boxes as it is for photo albums, so we're only going to focus on boxes right now. So when you're on the My Photos page or the My People page, you're going to have this box in the upper left-hand corner. That is how you create and edit photo boxes and photo albums. So simply click on the box and it brings up an edit or an add. So let's say that you wanted to create a new photo box or photo album. You would simply click on add and you get the field right here to put the new name of your box or your album in, and you can just click on that and type new box and then hit the enter button, and you'll see that we created a new box and it's right there. So now let's say I want to edit a box. I come back and I click on edit, and you'll see that a pencil appears in front of each one of them. So I'm going to take this box right here called Bertha Bernson's album. It's currently purple, which is the color that I'm using for a different person's photo albums. So I want to change it. We're going to go up here and let's change the name first. So let's call this Bertha Bernson Photos instead. And then let's change the colors to, oh, this is a pretty little teal color. And you'll grab that at the bottom. You see that black square right down there with a hand and it grabs. So we're going to make it a tealy color. And then on this, you can further refine just by grabbing and pulling that circle around, or you can point and click and the circle will jump to the color that you want. Simply click Save. And if you'll scroll over here, you'll see that Bertha Bernson's Photos is now teal. So that's a quick and easy tutorial on how to change, edit, and create photo boxes and albums. Have a nice day.